Hey everyone! So I wanted to show you today paper pumpkin kits, the last two that I've got, and I know I have an unboxing video from years ago. I actually stopped getting paper pumpkin for a while. I just found that I wasn't like using them. I kind of like stepped back from crafting for a little bit, but I tell you, I think they've just gotten better and better now, because some people were saying, oh, you know, I don't want 3Ds and I don't want this and I don't want that. And because you don't know what you're getting. What is Paper Pumpkin? It is a monthly subscription box, and it comes to your door like this, in a little box, and it has everything you need in there to do a little crafting. It's a little crafting kit. So I want to show you October's. Like when you first sign up, you get a little clear acrylic block so you can put your stamps on there and stamp, and then each kit comes with its own little ink pad, and then it has a little stamp set. I've got that upside down. I don't know if you can see that there. Oh, there we go. It's got like a snowflake, a little cardinal, snow. Really cute, some sentiments. So this was October's, and it contains everything you need to make 10 of these beautiful cards. And the great thing about this is you don't have to stick to what they have. There's actually a Facebook page where people go in and they show all the different designs that they've done. They'll like mix and match with their other stuff. And then sometimes, that was October's, so this is November's little box, and it's a surprise. You never know what's coming. So this one also has a little ink pad and stamps. So it has like little holly leaves and little snowflakes, and it says peace, love and joy to from, a gift for you, let it snow, made with love. And then what is in here? It comes wrapped in paper. Okay, we have contained supplies for 24 tags. Look at those tags. They are adorable. Now here's the great thing. If you go, well, I don't want tags. What do I want tags for? I've got 300 tags that I bought at the store, you know, 2 years ago. Well, you can take these and make them into cards. You don't have to make tags. You could easily let your imagination go wild and just put that onto a card base, and now you have cards. Too easy. You know, even if you've just got white cardstock laying around, you can just throw that and make it, you've got 24 cards instead of 24 tags. So they've made it a lot more user friendly. And because me personally, I love cards, you know, but I also like some 3D items. And again, on the Facebook Paper Pumpkin site, I will look it up and link it below in the description, where you can see all the people who are inspiring and creating with these kits. So that is our new paper pumpkins, and I have got to get on it and make some cards. I'm excited. So, and it doesn't take very long to make either. They say allow about an hour and you can make all these cards. So it's very simple. It's great if you've never done stamping before and you want to learn and you want to try. It's a great way just to get your feet wet and see if you actually enjoy the creative process. And a lot of the work's done for you already here, so it makes it super easy. Love it. Okay, let me know what you think. Would you keep tags, or would you make cards with this one? It's adorable. Either way. Either way. Look. Okay, well, let your friends know about our channel, because as we grow, we're going to give away stamp sets and fun stuff. And of course, I'm going to do like tutorials. I'm going to have a little section that's going to be for brand new stampers, and then I'm going to have a section that's more for our avid crafters who already know all the techniques and just want a quick, like this kind of video. So tell your friends, go ahead, subscribe, like, comment. Would truly appreciate it. And I can't wait to get creative with you. Bye!